No, it's not a withdrawal. To make it clear, we did not withdraw. And hindi rin ito yung naging nakasunduan during the last BCM. Baka akala kasi ng ating kababayan ay bumigay tayo, no? In fact, hindi. Nagmatigas tayo during the meeting sa Beijing. At our DFA stated that our presence will be maintained in the show. So it's not a withdrawal. The very primordial reason nun actually is humanitarian dahil yung mga tao natin nagkakasakit na eh. Diba? During the coverage ng pagdating ng barko, ilan yung nakadextrose, dalawa yung naka-stretcher. So they needed a immediate medical attention. We will have our presence still in this CODA. Not necessarily magwano kasi magre-repair pa siya. No? So we will let the Philippine Coast Guard to address that operational issue.
But so, sir, as we speak, meron na po bang kapalit o papunta doon na ipapalit na vessel?
Yes, as we speak, actually meron ng directive ang ating commandant, si Admiral Duan, na magpadala na ng barko doon sa vicinity ng Escoda.